Make sure to subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon so you get a notification for my videos. Hello guys, it's me, Snowwell Willy Boy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Snowwell Vlogs. Actually today I'm going to Lonavala. I know I'd promised this, I think so 1.5 months before. Actually I was busy in my work, so time नहीं मिला. चलो कोई बात नहीं, आज जाते. And today I've actually taken a new camera. Can watch it 1 second. Can see this. It's with the vlogging mic and all also, because I used to have problem to vlog when I used to ride the bike. So I took it and today I'll test it also. And yes, keep watching. There will be more videos coming up. And my friends also are waiting. They have, I think so, reached. I'm late today. Chal then, take care. Hello, sorry for not updating the time actually. It was at 5:15 when we left from Bhayandar. Now it's 7:10. We have just reached Panvel and I'm riding today with Tinsley.
Good morning,
Tinsley. Now we are going to Lonavala at Aamby Valley. So finally we have reached Khandala. You can see the scenery behind. Kingsley is watching his mobile. So now I think so more 5 to 10 kilometers. क्या कर रहा है मोबाइल में? अंधा हो गया. अरे बाप रे, हाइट तो बहुत जबरदस्त है यार. Now we'll be leaving for Aamby Valley. I think so it's more 10 kilometers from here. I think yeah, mostly 10 only. And for the Aamby Valley I will be making another vlog. I'll end up this vlog in 10 minutes. And दोस्तों जिसने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया सब्सक्राइब करो, हमारे नए वीडियोस आने वाले और शेयर ज़रूर करना फ्रेंड्स लोग के साथ. आप लोग शेयर करोगे, मोटिवेट करोगे तब और वीडियोस बनाने का दिल करेगा. ओह, थोड़ा थकान हो गया खाली. अभी जाते हम लोग लोनावला, फिर वहाँ से एम्बी वैली. Hi guys, finally I've reached Aamby Valley as I'd end up my before vlog because it would be too long. And as you saw, there are good, awesome vehicle. Show you some. Oh, it's a Mustang. बस सीधा सीधा ये था साउंड गया बस
When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. Where am
Hi guys, how was the video? Actually I'm tired a lot. We got dehydration because lot of sun was there over here. मतलब बहुत धूप था यार और अभी तो यार बोले ना कंटाल गया हूँ. लास्ट ये विली देखना था. एक टाइम पे तुम्हारा भाई ऐसे ही विली मारता था. अभी छोड़ दिया. चलो मैं नेक्स्ट ईयर ट्राई करता हूँ पार्टिसिपेट करने को फास्टेस्ट विली एंड लॉन्गेस्ट विली में. तो गाइज जिसने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया मेरा चैनल और ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. और वीडियोस आने वाले हैं अगले व्लॉग में. ख्याल रखना और प्लीज़ हमेशा सपोर्ट चाहिए तुम्हारा. टेक केयर. हेलो एवरीवन, जस्ट मेट माय न्यू सब्सक्राइबर. हेलो, आपका नाम क्या है?
हसन शेख.
हसन शेख. कैसा लगा वीडियो?
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sure.